Introduction to Firewalls.
Firewalls are essential tools in cybersecurity. They act as a barrier between your device or network and the wider internet, controlling which data is allowed in or out. By monitoring this traffic, firewalls help block unauthorized access, keeping your information safer while you browse, work, or communicate online.
How firewalls work.
A firewall uses specific rules to filter incoming and outgoing network traffic. It checks data packets based on factors like IP addresses, port numbers, or protocols. If the packet meets the firewall's rules, it's allowed through. Otherwise, it's blocked. This selective process helps stop hackers and malware from reaching your devices.
Types of firewalls.
There are two main types of firewalls, hardware and software. Hardware firewalls are physical devices that protect entire networks, often found in routers. Software firewalls are programs installed on individual computers or smartphones. Both types can be used together for stronger security, creating layers of protection for your home or personal devices.
Firewalls and personal security.
A good firewall guards your private data against cyber threats like viruses, worms, and hackers. It helps prevent unauthorized connections and can alert you about suspicious activity. While a firewall does not replace antivirus software, it plays a vital role in your overall security strategy, especially when connected to public networks or the internet at home.
Easy home firewall setups.
Setting up a firewall at home is simpler than it sounds. Most internet routers come with built-in hardware firewalls. Just make sure they're enabled in your router's settings. For extra protection, use the software firewalls provided by your operating system, like Windows Defender Firewall or Mac OS Firewall. Keeping them updated ensures ongoing protection.